Welcome to AI Motor Gallery, where we're about to embark on a two-wheeled adventure to picturesque Italy. Today, we're diving into the world of classic motorcycles, as AI takes us on a journey back in time with the iconic BSA motorcycle. Imagine cruising through the charming streets of Italy on a vintage BSA, with the warm Mediterranean breeze in your hair and the aroma of Italian cuisine in the air. These AI-generated images capture that very essence. BSA, known for its timeless British craftsmanship, meets the timeless beauty of Italy's landscapes and architecture. It's a match made in motorcycle heaven. As we take in these stunning visuals, let's also appreciate the history. BSA motorcycles were more than just bikes. They were a symbol of freedom and adventure for generations. Italy, with its winding roads and rich history, provides the perfect backdrop for this ride down memory lane. So, whether you're a motorcycle enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the fusion of art and engineering, these AI-generated images of the BSA motorcycle in Italy will leave you with a smile and a sense of nostalgia. Thank you for joining us at AI Motor Gallery. If you enjoyed this virtual ride, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, ride on and keep the spirit of classic motorcycles alive.